Loretta says, "But Iggy, we could have some fun." "You're the retard, Loretta," Iggy says. "What if Killer Kane hears I was messing with his kid? No thank you." "He's in for life," she says. "What's the harm?" "Life ain't life. How many times I tell you that?" Loretta's squinting at him, and she goes, "Are you serious? He's getting out someday?" And Iggy looks at me and tells her to shut up again. Finally, we get to the door, and that's when Loretta wants to rub Freak on the head. Real hard with her knuckles. "This is for luck," she says to Iggy. "It's good luck, rubbing a dwarf on the head." Freak is trying to duck away, and he says, "I'm not a dwarf, and I'm not good luck." So Loretta gives up on rubbing his head, and she stands up straight and folds her arms and says, "Hey, Midget Man, I know all about you. Your old man was a magician. Did you know that?" Freak is scuttling around behind me, keeping out of her way. But when she says that, I can tell he really wants to know about his father, if maybe he really was a magician. "Yeah," Loretta says, "right after you was born. He must be a magician, 'cause as soon as he heard the magic words, birth defect, he disappeared." A second later, Iggy shoves us out the door.